welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this is My Blessed Kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious vanilla cream pie. If you wanna know how to make this delicious dessert, just stay with me and let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and get started on our ingredients. You need 8 ounces of whipped cream, 1 14-ounce of sweetened condensed milk. I'm using cherry pie filling, some Jell-O pudding, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 1 cup of confectioner sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and you'll need 1 block of cream cheese. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're gonna start with our block of softened cream cheese, okay? You want it room temperature, and we're gonna start on low. All right, and then you're gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of your vanilla extract. Alrighty, now we're gonna add our condensed milk. I like to use this cold, so if you can, just put it in the refrigerator the night before, or at least a few hours before. It just makes it a lot easier. But if you don't have time, it's not gonna break your recipe. It won't hurt you. It just sets a little bit better. Now you're gonna add your heavy whipping cream. Push down the sides. Now to this, we're gonna add our pudding. Don't follow the directions on the pudding, okay? All we need is gonna be in here already. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. If you just want the vanilla pie filling, it is ready to go. You can just put it in here. You don't need to put this in the oven. Fill this in and cover it with whipped cream. If you want to go the extra, which I think I'm gonna go here, with your cherry pie filling, you can put in about 1/2 of a cup, and then you're gonna put in a cup of your filling. Okay, and then we'll give it a good mix. I need more room, and just mix. We're just gonna put the vanilla in here, okay? Just make sure there's no air bubbles. Just squash all the way down. Then with the cherry or strawberry filling or whatever you have, you're just gonna put it on top. Try not to go to the very edge. You'll see a little separation, okay? All right, that should be good. Now with your whipped cream, I've had mine in the fridge. Pour your whipped cream over and just give it a quick go. Just keep it moving so you'll get the air in it, okay? All right, and then I'm just gonna add a splash of vanilla. That's like 1/4 of a teaspoon, okay? Just go ahead and real quick. See, about a tablespoon of confectioner sugar. And just plop her on. So just went ahead and just put the Cool Whip everywhere. And what we can do, if you want to, you can crush up some golden Oreos. Easter's coming up, and if you want, you can just have a little fun with it if you want to. I just crushed up some cookies, so I'm just gonna layer it on. And if you don't want to do this, the pie is ready to go. All you have to do is just put it in the fridge, and I would say about 6 hours just to leave it in there, let it get firmed up. So when you pull it out and cut it, you can just see the layers, and it's gonna be delicious. And if you want to, you can put the bunnies around. These are just the little peeps, and it's already kind of setting too, so let's kind of squash them in there. Okay, we'll put little pretend dirt behind them. All right. And here's your little pie. Happy Easter! And now for the best part, the taste test. Mmm, so delicious. I can't wait for you to try this recipe. It's simple, super fast to make, and excellent. So I hope you try this recipe. If you like this video in any way, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, from My Blessed Kitchen to yours,